Amapolisa aseGqeberha avule ityala lokubulala emva kokudutyulwa kubulawo uPamela Mabini kwaye ememelela nabani ongaza nolwazi olungakhokhelele ekubanjweni kwabarhanelwa aze ngaphambili.
SAPS KwaZakhele detectives are appealing to anyone who can provide information that can lead to the arrest and successful prosecution of the suspects who gunned down a woman aged 46 years in KwaZakhele on Friday, the 7th of March. At approximately 10:45, SAPS KwaZakhele responded to a complaint of a shooting that occurred in Chahuka Street, KwaZakhele. On arrival, the members found a white Chevrolet S-Bakkie with the body of a 46-year-old female who was found inside a vehicle with multiple gunshot wounds. At the moment, no further information is available. A case of murder is opened and under investigation. Police are urging anyone who may have information regarding the murder to contact the investigating officer, Detective Colonel Anthea Hector, on 082 457 5036 or the Crime Stop number on 08600 10111 or the nearest police station. Anonymous tip-offs can also be communicated via MySAPS app, and all information is confidential and callers may remain anonymous.
Ukanti uMabini uza kubekwa kwikhaya lakhe lokugqibela kule mpelaveki.
Sifamily siphuma enhlanganisweni. Siyavumelana ukuba masisebenze kulomgqibelo siya ku nge-15th lomgqibelo. Si nqwenela ukusebenzisa elawolo kuthiwa iFurther Market Hall.
I-ANC eMpuma Kapa imemelela ukuba kuhlwayelwe amapolisa amaninzi kweli phondo ukulwa nobundlobongela. Kwiindaba zeMpuma Kapa TV, ndinguSandile Njongi, eGqeberha.